Drinking beer every day actually has 5 positive effects on your body. Your heart can get healthier. Studies have shown that light consumption of beer can improve blood circulation and benefit your heart. Your risk of heart disease would also lower. Your bones will get stronger. Beer is a source of silicon, which is an essential mineral for bone health. With the right amount of beer each day, your bones could get sturdier. Your risk of diabetes lowers. Some research shows that hop-rich craft beer may have beneficial results on insulin sensitivity, which helps prevent diabetes. Your digestion will improve. Beer has dietary fiber and enzymes that can help digestion and relieve minor digestive problems. Your stress will reduce. Moderated beer consumption can be a pleasant way to unwind and relax after a long day. But be careful, you must drink beer in moderation, otherwise it will have adverse effects on your health. Follow me for more health tips.
Get all Man's health supplements from the official websites, link in description.